It's a Dremel 3-in-1 tool. Circles with it. It's got a measuring tape, a laser, which I'm going to test out. So I'm going to unbox it and then go through the paces and just see how it works. Like I said, it's the Dremel. You know, it measures up to 65 feet with the laser. That's accurate from 65 feet apparently to 1/8 of an inch. This was $39 at Costco. Probably could get it cheaper somewhere else, not sure. So you get your papers, manual, and you get the unit itself. Okay. And it takes the 2 AAA batteries. Comes with it. Then you get 2 of these right here. Now this one is the wheel for measuring curves and round objects, and this one comes with the tape measure. There's no letters or anything on the tape. It just goes by the little chip in here. Let's take the tape measure and let's measure this with the tape measure, this block of wood. And this block of wood is 4 5/8. And then you put the 3 prongs meet up with the, like that, and it just snaps on. 4 7/8. I don't have my glasses. 11, and we'll say 7/8. 1 foot and 1/8. So 11 7/8. And it said it was 12 1/8. Garbage. Garbage, 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 garbage. Let's try the roller. So I don't know if you can see this black line to this black line. So I measured that circumference out, and that should be 6 inches. So I'm going to take this to measure it and see if it's 6 inches. A little bit tricky to get it exactly on the line. It says 6 1/8. So if I get the top of the bench to the truss, 64 7/16, which comes to 5 feet 4 7/16. Now we got to get that exactly on that rafter where we just measured. 5 foot 4 7/16. So that is not bad. So as you've seen, I was measuring from the truss to the edge of the bench, and it came out to 5 feet 4 inches and 7/16. And the measuring tool came with that same measurement, and it was consistent. So for the $40, in my opinion, it's worth the laser itself. Where this would come in handy is you got a measuring tape. You're doing this every day. You can bend that tape in the corner, and you can get an accurate reading. If you're only doing your own stuff on occasion, you're probably going to really not get an accurate reading. You're going to come short. That's where this would come in handy, because doing the baseboard, you just butt that up in the one corner, turn the laser on, it shoots the laser, and you get your reading. I changed my mind. It grew on me, the wheel measuring part of it. I really like it now. And it's, once you learn, you know, how to line up that blue mark, it's consistent as well, and it's pretty accurate. So I didn't change my mind, however, on the measuring tape. That's going in the garbage. The rest of it is okay.